Yo, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So a couple of years back, I did review a smartphone called the UMIDIGI Bison right here. And this is a budget device that was released around 2020 or 2019. And this device actually was really nice when it came to like a rugged smartphone, but UMIDIGI has released their new UMIDIGI X20, which is basically the Bison X20. So I wanted to show you guys the upgraded version. It's going to be giving you a bigger battery. It's going to give you a few more things, but the only thing is that they're going to be using the P60 Helio P60 from back in 2018, which is a reliable processing chip for a budget smartphone, especially when they bring the price more or less under 150. So you could probably get it on a sale for like, around 150 right now or less. I definitely think it's going to be a steal, especially if you're looking for a device that is waterproof. It's going to have a really good battery, 6,000 milliamp hour battery. Right here, you can see the box that it comes in. And so the box that it's coming in, it's all white, just like the UMIDIGI Bison one, but this one is more updated. You can see the design is different. So it says Beyond Dreams on here, and then it gives you some specifications. Just like the older one had 8 gigabytes of RAM. This one is gonna have 6 gigabytes of RAM plus another 6 for expansion, like virtual, and then you get 128 of internal memory inside of here. So you get NFC on this, which is another really good thing about this device, is that they also put NFC on here. Let's compare the designs. I kind of want to see the designs. Let's go ahead and open this up. So let's go ahead and cut the box. All right, so here is the UMIDIGI, Bison X20. It's gonna give you really good memory when it comes to oh wow, this is definitely a very nice improvement over the older design. So you can see this one had that more rugged look, whereas this one gives you that matted texture as well. So you can see everything is pretty much the same as far as button placement. You have your SOS button or something like that. It does say waterproof right here on the new one, and then designed by UMIDIGI on the older one. The textured button right here, but this one is not textured anymore. This one has a plus and minus, whereas these two were textured. At the top is pretty much the headphone jack. On the other side, you're still getting your shortcut key with your SIM slot. You get your additional button right down here on the other one. So the newer one doesn't have that button right there, but very similar as far as the bodies. I'm gonna put the older UMIDIGI Bison off to the side. We're gonna be focusing on the UMIDIGI Bison X20 for the next couple of minutes. So make sure you guys stay locked in. And if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So inside of the box, you also will be greeted with some additional manuals right here. X20 start guide, your brick right here. You also do get your USB cable right here, which is giving you type C to type A. So you do get the charging brick inside, as well as the charging cable. So you do get both of those. You don't get any headphones, because I'm trying to see if there's anything else inside of here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna put this off to the side and focus on the UMIDIGI Bison X20 right now. So let's go ahead and power it on. I really like the texture on the back. You also do get a pretty decent camera as far as the camera on here. So the older one had a 48 megapixel. This one should have around the same megapixel camera. It's probably the same camera, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out. There is a little port right here. I'm not sure what that is for, but there's like a little hole right there, and another little port which looks like a speaker or something like that. So they got the type C on the bottom as well. Let's go ahead, peel off the cover I'm gonna put this right here on the box for now. And it does have a screen protector underneath that. So I'm gonna go ahead and find the power button and give it some juice. It should be right below the volume rockers. Yep, there we go. It says UMIDIGI on here. So now it's starting up. I'm gonna pause the video when I get the device ready to be set up. Then we're gonna go through some of the different menus. You can see right here, it does say UMIDIGI on this display right here. Judging by the panel, it does look like it might be 720 full HD, HD plus. The Chinese language was on here from default, but I was able to switch it to English, which is right here. So if you want to customize the languages, you can go ahead and remove the Chinese one now and just delete that one. I did use Google Translate on my Pixel Fold to actually find that language option right here. And now it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and take a walkthrough on this device. We are running Android 13 with January 5th, 2024 out of the box. You get your gestures right here, quick camera, and you get a bunch of different options inside of settings as well with the hotkey, the smart assistant, the storage up to 128, but you get 116 available right out of the box. And then walking my way through here, we do get the memory expansion where we can actually add 6 more gigabytes of memory on here, and then you're gonna have to reset it after that to actually activate it. You have your sounds right here in the menu, your haptics and vibration. Everything feels really smooth on here. You get your enhancement, BES loudness for the loudspeaker on here. So that's pretty cool. You also do get adaptive brightness, mirror vision as well, which is gonna give you right here it says mirror vision is a set of engines to enhance the display and picture quality. Going down a little bit more, you can see we do have a smooth refresh rate on this device, which is you change it from 60 to 90 hertz. So you get that really nice refresh rate. So now it's on 90 hertz as far as the refresh rate. You can go ahead and customize the wallpapers on here as well. It's giving you some of those ones to choose from, and then you get a bunch of different other wallpaper things right here to mess around with too. So you could go ahead and change it from this option as well. So it gives you the ability to customize it completely and add dark theme as well. So good stuff on here. As far as the first impressions, I'm gonna go ahead and definitely pop my SIM card in here and test it out. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the UMIDIGI X20, the Bison X20. And now you can see right here, it does have a SIM app on here for like your app for your adding your SIM, but it got the Chinese language in it. You get your toolbox in here with a protractor, compass, magnifier, alarm, picture hanger, bubble level, and flashlight, as well as measure height and things like that. And then you get your theme app in here, which you can mess around with to customize some of the themes on this device as well. So you get 6 to choose from on this device. So that's pretty cool as well. As far as the weight, it definitely feels pretty good in the hand. I really like the back of the phone because it's got like that really nice matted material, and it seems very substantial as far as the weight. This pops out right here, giving you access to your SIM tray, and you can get your SIM slot and your expansion of the memory on there. So you get the option to add more storage on this device. You also do get an FM radio as well. And then it's given us this second option right here on the home screen, where it has all your common apps, recently installed system apps, tools, office travel, and photos there, and then your weather and your Play Store app as well. Let's test out the speakers on here, go into YouTube, and right now I'm going to add Wi-Fi to it because it's not connected to the Wi-Fi right now. So I'll definitely go ahead and add my Wi-Fi on here. All right, so the Wi-Fi is now connected on this device right now. So let's go ahead and test out some of the internet connections right here. We're going to go into YouTube. I think she has a new music video out, but I'm gonna put the volume a little bit lower right now. And let me just wait for the ads to finish on here. But so far the speeds and the performance are actually, you know, pretty good on here. So let's go ahead and look at the picture quality. We can add the rotate option when we auto rotate. So when we rotate it to watch media, it will give us the ability to watch videos on here. Turn that up for a second. Pretty much everything you're getting. And then when it comes to the camera on here, it's giving you the macro camera to mess around with, so you can get close up on certain objects. When you're in macro camera mode, that's when you're able to take really nice pictures at a close distance, about 1 to 4 centimeters away from the object, and then you'll be able to get those fine details. It says macro lens mode. Let me see. There we go. So there you get your macro camera. You get your night camera, your pro mode for photos, your portrait for bokeh, your picture mode, which gives you up to right here. If you tap it, it goes up to 2x zoom. And then if you swipe in, you can get up to 8x zoom on here. So it's really good stuff. As far as the video, you're going into the settings and you can see we do get some HD quality, full HD quality, and the rest you probably won't use ever, but you get your microphone in there as well. So you get your beauty modes on here too. We also do get a flash, and you can customize your facial beauty modes on this device and customize how you want it to look when your face is showing up. So if I'm looking at the device, it can automatically detect how my face will appear based off of the beauty AI mode on here. So I turned off the beauty mode, and let's take a quick shot. Let's take a picture and a portrait, and you can customize the bokeh. It's at 3 right now. So yeah, this is a good budget device, but let me know what you guys think so far. I'm gonna go through this in a little bit more detail on the next video, but hopefully you guys did find this unboxing helpful. I definitely think that this is pretty cool. We'll jump into all the shortcuts and the fingerprints and stuff like that. Right here is like the button right here that I'm pressing. Nothing's really happening. It's like an orange button. So we probably have to activate that button right there before it'll work. And then you do get another button down here that you can actually activate. It's like a hot key right now. It doesn't have any functionality, because inside of settings, that's where you would go to customize it, as you can see right here. So you get 2 hotkey buttons, and you do get the ability to customize both to whatever you want by using any app or anything like that. So I think that's a cool thing. If you don't like the placement of this one, you can change it to this one. You also do get IP68 water resistancy, and it's like also giving you that military grade waterproofing at IP69 or something like that. So it's going to be military standard, meaning you could put it underwater without having to worry. You could probably even use the camera underwater as well, because it's completely waterproof. So this is a really solid designed device by UMIDIGI. That's called the Bison X20. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But I'm going to check you guys later. I'm going to get right back with you, and I'll show up in the comment section to answer all your questions. But if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button, and I'm going to check you guys later. I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.